Nightwish is a symphonic metal band from Kitee, Finland. The band was formed in 1996 by lead songwriter and keyboardist Tuomas Holopainen, guitarist Emppu Vuorinen, and former lead singer Tarja Turunen. The band soon picked up drummer Jukka Nevalainen and then bassist Sami Vänskä after the release of their debut album, Angels Fall First. In 2001, Vänskä was replaced by Marko Hietala, who also took over the male vocalist role previously filled by Holopainen or guest singers. In January 2021, it was announced that Hietala had left the band. Although Nightwish have been prominent in their home country since Angels Fall First, they did not achieve wider success until the release of the albums Oceanborn, Wishmaster, and Century Child. Their 2004 album, Once, has sold more than 1 million copies and was the band's breakthrough in the United States. Their biggest US hit single, Wish I Had an Angel, received MTV airplay and was included on 3 US film soundtracks to promote their North American tour. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.